For new videos, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to post videos on WhatsApp status. WhatsApp has introduced a status feature giving the user the option to post videos, photos or images. So let's get started. Open WhatsApp, tap on status, then tap on camera icon, press and hold record. You can also add emojis. You can also add text. You can also give captions and then click on share the status icon. Here is your new status feature on WhatsApp.